Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I create this spray to take down my braids. You're going to be using just an empty bottle. You're going to take some apple cider vinegar and fill it up about a quarter of the bottle. You're going to take some aloe vera juice and put it into the bottle. Then you're going to also add some sea salt. Yes, sea salt to help break down all that icky gooiness from having your braids in for a while. Then you're going to take some peppermint essential oil, just about that much, and that's just to help with circulation on the scalp. Then you're going to go ahead and spray it onto your braids before you take your braids down. You're going to apply 2 caps, and then you're going to apply your scarf, and I actually just left this in overnight just to help it moisturize and stay in. And then here's my braid takedown. You can totally tell like the moisture and how easy it was to take my braids down. And I actually did a flexi rod set the next day.